All right, everyone, welcome. My name is Barney, and this is day 8 of my Imperium Academy VIP journey. I got just these tiny little microphones, which I really love, and I'm just trying these out with these vlog types. So, today was a great day. I was learning a lot. I started watching the Base 44 and the VIX course on Imperium Academy. I really like those. I think that's a massive improvement and that can help for the kinds of people we are. So like the ones who wants to start an agency, a consulting business, using these amazing AI tools to boost our productivity and to basically speed up this process is amazing. Also, what I wanted to share with you, it's more like a technical one, but if you are doing, let's just adopt this, or not adopt, adjust it, sorry. So, oh my God. Yes, amazing. So, what I just realized is Meta and Instagram just released another rule or something like that, which basically means that you can't do cold outreach using Instagram because it will detect it as something like an automation or an AI bot, and you will be get banned or restricted at least. So it kind of like a bad news for us because I'm targeting online coaches, especially fitness coaches. So I did cold outreach. However, what I realized is if you want to play the safe game, you need to do two things, or at least one. The safe thing is to basically build a personal brand, create content, and create a specific type of content where people are engaging with your content. So they are, let's say, commenting on your videos, liking it, sharing it. But most importantly, DMing you with a keyword or commenting. Because once they reach out to you first, you're risk free. You are risk free. So once they are in your inbox, you can message them. So what I want to build and what I want to try to go after is building and creating content that people can either DM me or comment under my videos, but somehow they get into my inbox first, and I'm not the one who is trying to spam and do cold outreach. It's also a long-term game, and it's also going to work better on the long run. And definitely my goal is to have an Instagram page and to make content that attracts my clients and not doing outreach. Yeah, I know that in the beginning, one of the best methods is to do cold outreach and try to book appointments. But with this new Meta and Instagram release, it's kind of like hard. So anyone who wants to do cold outreach using Instagram or Facebook message, but mostly Instagram, I would highly suggest you to do what I'm trying to do. So like post content that people can DM you with a keyword or comment on under your videos. It's also really important that if you make a viral content and loads of people are commenting under your post and you're using ManyChat automations to just send the free value that you created, if if Instagram notices that you are bumping tons of automated messages using ManyChat, you'll also get blocked. So when a post that you create is going viral, you need to switch off ManyChat. So it's it's a little bit tricky, but we can manage it. Other than that, yes. So this is my journey. This is how I'm thinking about it. I got a lot of out of Imperium VIP, especially the VIP. I really like the structure and the style, and the only thing is just create content and book appointments. Maybe I need to refine my offer, because what I realized is I was sending a Trojan horse, which is basically a 7-day free trial with like, I will book 1 to 3 appointments in 7 days for free. And these coaches that replied to my outreach, basically they said that they are doing more than that in 7 days. So it wasn't compelling enough to them to talk to me. So what I need to do is aim for higher numbers and try to differentiate myself, and try out different numbers. So yeah, this is what I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you are doing great. Check out, if you are a VIP member, if you are a VIP member, I'm sorry about my pronunciation. So if you are a VIP member, definitely check out the VIX and the Base 44 courses. They are amazing. And especially if you want to build like an agency, you can also use these courses as your product. So what you are learning from it, you can also sell it. So it's also a really great opportunity. If you don't know what to do, just watch all the course materials and the videos. Just basically try to sell that for others. So yeah, that was my conclusion for today. Good luck for everyone. Bye.